Tapout.
Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Yeah, I'll come in. Oh, you down a sub?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. This is pretty crazy. Are these 18s?
15s.
Oh, okay. First, tell me what's in here for the video. Go ahead.
Hey, my name's Joe Price. I'm Noisy Boy Labs, custom box designer. I have 12 Cab Ultra 15s. I have 12 Cab Ultra, Cab 22s. A whole bunch of Rogue Audio highs. Some Cab M4 amps for my highs. I've got one JS alternator that runs everything. I've got C-Max.
Wow. How much lithium?
I have 240 amp hours of lithium.
Okay. Wow. What's your SPL on this?
The loudest this fan's ever metered was a 172.8. Woo! The loudest it's ever come out on music was a 171.1 and held a 67.8 for 5 minutes.
Yeah.
At a sound check in Indiana.
Nice. Nice job. Wow. What is your cubic space on the sealed side per sub?
That's a secret.
Secret?
Yeah.
Okay, don't worry about it then. Is it a 2 to 1, 3 to 1, 4 to 1? What's your ratio?
It's close to a 3 to 1.
3 to 1, okay.
It's like 2 point something. It's like 2.8 something to 1.
Okay.
It's basically all stock, being filling forward except for deadener.
Got it. Wow.
This man's insane. That's that Christmas fan. That's Tapout.
You what? Record as many as you like.
Yeah, man.
That's great.
That's good content. What's the lowest frequency you can play down to? 42, 43 is my guess.
No, 30, 35.
35. Oh, okay. There you go.
Yeah.
Nice.
30, I have to be a little cautious.
Yeah.
Wow, that's insane.
You ever put this thing on the meter? Yeah. What's it do? It's 70 plus. I mean, I've done a 72 8.
And that's without the center port, so that's really impressive. Yeah. Without the center port, that's pretty impressive, man. Yeah. The science of it.
That is insane. I'm not sending that. I'm good.
Going? Who else?
Who else wants it? Who else wants it? Hey, come on.
I'll stand in the door when you turn it over. That's about it.
Try it inside.
Oh no, I'm good.
If you just cross down right there where the steering wheel is, you can feel it. But in the back corner, that's where it gets you.
Yeah. It's a lot louder right there. Yeah, I like to hear, man.
What's the loudest you ever sat in?
The loudest I ever sat in was Chris Lee's, and there was an extreme where I climbed over the port. It was like a 61, or 68, 69, something like that.
Tapping Chris's?
Yeah, that thing hurt. That's too loud. Yeah, Chris is hurt. I don't want to sit in that. Yeah. Anyway, go ahead. a minute, I don't want to sit in that. But that hurts, dude. Woo!
Lean back against the door. It feels better.
Yeah, let's try it again. Yeah, do it against the door. Right here is probably 3 dB difference.
Oh my God, I hit you with the big.
Somebody in this thing, dude.
Shredding that blood plate.
Yeah, it's crazy amount of pressure. You can see the sawdust coming off of the pressure of the wood, man. I appreciate it. Joe Price, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, awesome job, man. I really appreciate the build. Woo! And this door don't move very much. You're doing a good job.
It's basically all stop, be going forward except for deadener.
Got it. Wow, dude, I'm crying my tears. That hurt. I appreciate the demo, man.
No problem.
Oh, that made me cry.
I got that one on video.
Hell yeah. Whew. Thank you, man. Privilege. Appreciate it. Yes, sir. And your box design, Noisy Boys. There you go. Some people check that out. You never.
Hey,
Yeah,
great.
yeah, man.
This man's insane. I said, Christmas fan. I tapped out.
Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others.